welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to make pourgouri. Pourgouri is a Greek Cypriot side that's made from bulgur wheat and vermicelli. It's super easy to make. It's ready from start to finish in less than 15 minutes and it is a great alternative to potatoes and rice. So let's get started. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and add 1 diced onion and saute for a minute. Now add 200 grams of vermicelli noodles or fithe if you're Greek and stir well so all the vermicelli is covered with oil, then leave it to brown for a minute. When your vermicelli is multiple shades of golden brown like this, add 2 chicken stock cubes, or if you want to make it vegetarian, add 2 vegetable stock cubes. Then with a spoon mash your stock into your vermicelli and onions so they are all covered with flavour. Then add in 850 millilitres of hot water and stir everything well. Now add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and salt and pepper, stir again and then add your bulgur wheat. Before I add my bulgur wheat, I want to show you the texture of mine. I'm using the fine bulgur wheat because I and my family prefer like the fine texture, but if you want more texture to your pourgouri, you can use the medium or the like coarse bulgur wheat. It's up to you, but this bulgur wheat is the one they use to make gulbers. Gulbers are my favourite. If you love gulbers, let me know in the comments below and let me know who makes them the best. My mum makes them the best because the inside is like moist and peppery with lots of parsley, and then the outside is thin and crisp. I remember as a kid I used to get so excited biting the top off and squeezing in lots and lots of lemon. Gulbers are number one, my favourite. But enough about me reminiscing, and let's get on to finishing up our pourgouri. Add 200 grams of bulgur wheat, give it a quick stir, then add your lid and leave everything to simmer for 6 to 7 minutes. When your time is up, lift your lid, have a look. It smells so good. And put the lid back on and leave it to rest for at least 5 minutes. Now one last lid opening. And with a fork, fluff everything up so it doesn't all stick together and become all stodgy. Your pourgouri should be separated like this so you can taste each grain and have a nice texture in your mouth. One last thing, now it's time for me to dig in, yeah. I love pourgouri, especially served with Greek yogurt. When I was little, I used to get the Greek yogurt and mash it in to my pourgouri and it makes it taste so creamy. I'd do it with all the girls when they were little and they still love eating it like that. It was so good. And taste all the texture, so nice. This is great served with souvlaki and also with geleftigo. I've got videos for geleftigo and souvlaki if you want to watch them. I'll leave a link to them below. Also great with grilled fish. My mum always makes it for us with roast lamb, roast beef, roast chicken. So good, so good. And if you want to make it like vegetarian, you can grill some courgettes, aubergines, mushrooms, pumpkin, drizzle over a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper and oregano, put it under the grill and chop them up into like bite-sized pieces and then mix it up with your pourgouri and sprinkle over some fithe. Yeah, happy days. So good. Even just like this, pourgouri and yauti. It's fantastic. You know, whenever we go on holiday, you know, like when you want something to fill you up when you're at the beach, but you don't want to like give so much money to like go and get a big meal because you're going to eat out later. I always order pourgouri and I always serve it with yauti, Greek yogurt, and I'm happy. Or tzatziki and pourgouri is fantastic. It's like delicious as well. Got a video for like 10 minutes tzatziki, fantastic, the best tzatziki you'll ever have. I'll leave a link to that as well below. This is so tasty. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!